Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this salt dough snowman. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more of my videos, please hit the subscribe button. For the salt dough mix, you're going to need a half a cup of flour, a quarter cup of salt, and a quarter cup of water. I believe there are other salt dough recipes which use different ingredients, such as cornstarch, but this is the one I use to make this snowman. You'll need to mix the flour and the salt together, and then add the water gradually so as not to cause lumps. Once you've mixed all the ingredients together, knead it until it's smooth and elastic. At this point, you'll also need a rolling pin. To make the snowman form, we'll need ordinary kitchen foil and crumple it up into 3 different sized balls for the base, the middle, and the head of the snowman. I used toothpicks to put them all together. Roll the pastry out to about a 1/4 inch thick and stand the snowman form in the middle and press the pastry up around the form to cover it. The snowman is now ready to bake. I placed mine on parchment paper in the pan. I thought that would be easy to remove, and it was. You could use a silicone sheet if you have one, that would be just as simple. I baked my snowman at 200 degrees for 1 hour. You need to do it in a very slow, very low temperature oven so that it won't crack. While my snowman was still warm, I added toothpick arms just to make the holes, because I actually picked up twigs to use as arms. I'll show you those. I didn't add the arms before baking because I thought that the dough would be too soft and wouldn't support them properly. So as soon as it came out of the oven, I made holes with the toothpicks, and then I stuffed in the twig arms, and that is good enough. I used white acrylic paint and painted the snowman. I left the twig arms natural. I painted the snowman white. For the nose, I used the end of a toothpick which had some orange paper on it. I trimmed the paper down to try and make it look a little bit like a carrot. And so that's the snowman's nose. For the snowman's buttons and eyes, I used a mixture of hole punch pieces which I painted black, and I had some little glitter rhinestones which I added for the eyes. For the snowman's hat, I used cardstock which I cut and coloured with a Sharpie. I used the 2 rounds for the top and bottom, and I trimmed the top off to be flush with the sides of the hat. I made a holly leaf decoration for the hat, and I gave him a red ribbon scarf. I hope you like my snowman. I think he's really rather cute. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. That helps my channel grow, and I'd be very grateful if you could do that. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.